everyone. Welcome to Power Brain TV. Subscribe for more videos and get faster notification of the video. Please like, subscribe, comment and share. Class 8 Anupam Social Science History Chapter 12 India after Independence. Questions and answers. Exercise 1. Multiple choice questions. Tick the correct answer. 1. 3 princely states created a problem and they joined the Indian Union later. Which of the following states was not one of them? A. Junagadh, B. Hyderabad, C. Kashmir, D. Baroda. Answer D. Baroda. 2. How many languages have been included in the 8th schedule of the Constitution? A. 18, B. 19, C. 20, D. 22. Answer D. 22. 3. How many members did the Constituent Assembly have for undivided India? A. 379, B. 385, C. 393, D. 399. Answer B. 385. 4. Who was elected as the chairman of the Constituent Assembly? A. B. R. Ambedkar, B. Jawaharlal Nehru, C. Rajendra Prasad, D. Sardar Patel. Answer C. Rajendra Prasad. 5. Who was the chairman of Constitution's drafting committee? A. Rajendra Prasad, B. B. R. Ambedkar, C. K. M. Munshi, D. Sardar Patel. Answer B. B. R. Ambedkar. 6. When did the Constitution of India come into force? A. The 26th of November 1949, B. The 26th of December 1949, C. The 26th of January 1950, D. The 26th of February 1950. Answer D. The 26th of February 1950. 7. With which country did India have a war in 1962? A. Pakistan, B. Nepal, C. China, D. None of the above. Answer C. China. 8. In which year was the Panchsheel Agreement signed? A. 1951, B. 1952, C. 1955, D. 1954. Answer D. 1954. 2. Fill in the blanks. 1. India got independence in the year 1974. 2. The problem of integration of princely states was a difficult one. 3. 22 languages have been included in the 8th schedule of the Indian Constitution. 4. Subjects such as defense and foreign were placed in the Union list. 5. A war between India and Pakistan took place in 1965. 3. Right, true or false? 1. The task of integration of princely states into Indian Union was accomplished by Sardar Patel. Answer: true. 2. The Constituent Assembly had members of the Congress Assembly. Answer: false. 3. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar was the chairman of the Constituent Assembly. Answer: false. 4. The Constitution of India came into force on the 26th of November 1949. Answer: false. IV. Give short answers to the following questions. 1. Name any 3 major problems faced by India soon after independence. Answer: the 3 problems that the newly independent nation of India faced are as follows. Rehabilitation of a large number of refugees. Assimilation of princely states. Ensuring the unity of a country which is full of diversity. 2. How was the problem of refugees solved? Answer: increased efforts have been made to simplify procedures and increase countries' capacity to receive refugees. Despite various complications, third country resettlement is a viable option for many refugees. Repatriation, going back home, remains the most coveted and durable solution to the refugee problem. 3. Discuss the objective of the 5-year plans. Answer: in India, the 5-year plans were a series of planned economic and social development policies introduced by the government. These programs were aimed to promote economic growth, social welfare, poverty alleviation, regional balance, and self-reliance in a systematic and planned manner. 4. What is the major cause of the tension between India and Pakistan? Answer: a long-running dispute over Kashmir and cross-border terrorism have been the predominant cause of conflict between the 2 states, with the exception of the Indo-Pakistani War of 1971, which occurred as a direct result of hostilities stemming from the Bangladesh Liberation War in erstwhile East Pakistan, now Bangladesh. 5. What are the two main subjects placed in the state list of the Constitution? Answer 1. Public order and police. Public health and sanitation. 3. Local government. 4. Agriculture and irrigation. We answer the following questions. 1. How was the problem of integration of princely states solved and by whom? Answer. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel was given the task of the integration of princely states. The Indian Independence Act of 1947 gave princely states the choice to accede to either India or Pakistan or remain independent. 2. When and why did the war between India and China take place? Answer. The Sino-Indian War, also known as the China-India War or the Indo-China War, was an armed conflict between China and India that took place from October to November 1962. It was a military escalation of the Sino-Indian border dispute. 3. Mention in brief the major features of India's foreign policy. Answer. The foreign policy of India aims to maintain international peace and security, to oppose imperialism, to stand against the apartheid policy, to propagate the peaceful and political settlement of international disputes, to foster peaceful coexistence, to remain non-aligned and non-committed, and to maintain the unity. Thanks for watching with Power Brain TV. Like, subscribe, share,